Today we want to take a look at the vocabulary of polynomials and their key parts. The first thing we want to be able to do is identify a monomial and find its degree. A monomial is a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables with whole number exponents. We can see an example of 4 different monomials in that table. Let's look at some non-examples. What are things that are not monomials? Well, a sum is not a monomial. So if there's an addition or a subtraction sign, then it's not a monomial. A monomial can't have a variable in the denominator. So if I had something like 2 over n, right, that means it's not a monomial. A monomial can't have a variable for an exponent. Right? So if I had something that looked like 4 to the a power, right, that's not a monomial. Or another thing that is not a monomial is something that has a negative exponent. Okay? Variables have to have whole numbers for exponents, which are positive integers. So by definition, whole numbers are the positive ones. Okay? So if I had something like x to the negative first power, that would not be a monomial. The second thing we want to look at is what is the degree of a monomial, right? It's the sum, which means we add up, right, of the exponents of the variables in the monomial. The number in front of a variable is called the coefficient. So, what is the degree of each of our monomials? Well, if there are no variables at all, right, that means the degree is 0. If I have a monomial that's 3x, we've talked in the past, there's an invisible 1 as an exponent there. So since the only exponent with a variable is a 1, my degree becomes a 1. The next one was tricky because a has a power of 1. So I need to take 1 plus 2, the exponent with a, plus the exponent with b. My degree for this monomial is 3. Right? Or my last one has a degree of 5. So let's look at a few more examples of identifying the degree of a monomial. If we want to find the degrees of monomials, we have to look at the exponents. In this case, I have just a second power. So my degree is 2. This is a second degree monomial. In letter B, the x has a power of 1 and the y has a power of 3. So if I take 1 plus 3, the sum of the exponents tells me my degree in letter B is 4, or that this is a 4th degree monomial. Letter C, my exponents are 3 and 3. So the sum of my exponents, 3 plus 3, tells me the degree of this monomial is 6. The 8 in the front, or the 1/2, or the 5 in the first two, is an example of a coefficient. And letter D doesn't have a variable at all. I could say that's like having x to the 0 power, right? So my exponent is actually 0. So this has a degree of 0. So see if you could try a few problems with monomials on your own.